Have you ever wondered what hidden gems Berlin has to offer beyond its iconic Brandenburg Gate and Berlin Wall? Welcome to an adventure that'll take you off the beaten path into the heart of Berlin's secret treasures. This city, steeped in history, is more than just its world-famous landmarks. It's a labyrinth of hidden gems and local hotspots waiting to be explored. So buckle up and let's dive into the unknown. Stay with us as we unveil the top 10 hidden gems in Berlin. First on our list, the secret courtyards of Berlin, known as Hofe. These hidden gems, nestled in the heart of the city, echo with stories of the past, each corner holding a tale waiting to be told. Let's take a moment to appreciate the charm and history behind these courtyards, with Hackischer Hof as a shining example. Built in the early 20th century, it's a labyrinth of 8 interconnected courtyards, each adorned with intricate Jugendstil, or Art Nouveau designs, a testament to the city's rich architectural heritage. These courtyards aren't just spaces enclosed by buildings. They're microcosms of Berlin's vibrant culture. From bustling cafes, quirky boutiques to art galleries, they're a canvas painted with the city's diverse lifestyle. As you saunter through these courtyards, you'll feel the essence of Berlin's past merging with its present, a unique blend that's hard to find elsewhere. A visit to these courtyards will transport you to a different era. Next up, we take you to Teufelsberg, a man-made hill with a rather fascinating history. Rising from the rubble of post-World War II destruction, it's a literal mountain of Berlin's past, reaching an astounding 120 meters high. Once a strategic Cold War listening station, Teufelsberg was a hotspot for the Allies, who used it to intercept radio communications from the Eastern Bloc. This intriguing hill has heard whispers of secrets that shaped the world as we know it today. Now, Teufelsberg has reinvented itself. It's become an open-air gallery, a canvas for artists, and a playground for photographers. The once secretive spy station is now adorned with vibrant graffiti, each piece telling a story of resilience and transformation. This place is more than just a hill. It's a symbol of Berlin's ability to rise from the ashes, to repurpose and to reinvent. Teufelsberg is a testament to Berlin's resilience and creativity. Moving on, we delve into the eerie charm of Spreepark, an abandoned amusement park. Once a bustling hub of laughter and joy, Spreepark opened its gates in 1969, quickly becoming a popular entertainment spot for both locals and tourists. With its whimsical attractions and thrilling rides, it was a place where memories were made. However, as the years rolled on, its allure began to fade. By 2001, Spreepark had shut its doors, leaving its once vibrant grounds to be reclaimed by nature. Today, it stands as a unique, albeit slightly eerie attraction. The once lively carousel now stands still, the laughter and screams of delight replaced by silence. The rusting Ferris wheel, a ghostly monument to the park's vibrant past, continues to stand tall, dominating the skyline. Despite its somber atmosphere, Spreepark draws in those with a taste for the unusual, offering a hauntingly beautiful tribute to a time gone by. Amidst the decay and desolation, there's a certain charm that's impossible to deny. Spreepark, a hauntingly beautiful tribute to a time gone by. Next, we take a relaxing dip into Liquidrum, a modern spa that offers a unique sensory experience. Located in the heart of Berlin, Liquidrum is far from your average spa. It boasts a striking architectural design with sleek, curvaceous lines and minimalist decor that evoke a sense of tranquility and modernity. But what sets Liquidrum apart is its underwater music, a surreal blend of classical, electronic, and world music that resonates through the water, creating an immersive, almost otherworldly ambience. As you float in the warm saltwater pool, the soft melodies and rhythmic beats envelop you, lulling you into a state of deep relaxation. Adding to the sensory feast is the spa's mesmerizing light show. As you lay back in the water, you'll witness a kaleidoscope of colors dancing across the ceiling, their reflections shimmering on the water's surface. Popular among locals for its innovative approach to relaxation, Liquidrum truly is a hidden gem in Berlin's vibrant landscape. Liquidrum, where relaxation meets innovation. Now, Let's delve into Berlin's history with a tour of its underground bunkers. Underneath the bustling city of Berlin lies a vast network of bunkers, tunnels, and air raid shelters. These hidden spaces were built during the Second World War, serving as a refuge for the city's residents during air raids. Walking through these cold, concrete passageways, one can almost hear the echoes of history. A number of companies offer tours of these underground spaces, providing a unique and sobering perspective on Berlin's past. These tours are guided by experts who share riveting stories and details about life in the bunkers during the war. Some tours even take you through a reconstructed nuclear shelter, offering a glimpse into the Cold War era. These underground bunkers are more than just remnants of war. They are symbols of Berlin's resilience and its ability to rise from the ashes. A visit to these bunkers is a chilling reminder of Berlin's turbulent past. As we wrap up our journey through Berlin's hidden gems, we hope you've discovered a side of Berlin you never knew existed. This city, rich in history and culture, offers more than just the usual tourist spots. It invites you to explore and uncover its secret corners, each with a unique story to tell. We began our journey with the secret courtyards of Berlin, hidden in plain sight, each one a quiet sanctuary amidst the city's hustle and bustle. Then we trekked to the intriguing Teufelsberg, a hill made of wartime rubble, now a hub for urban explorers and street artists. We ventured into the eerie yet fascinating Spree Park, an abandoned amusement park that seems frozen in time. Then we sought relaxation at Liquidrom, a modern spa that offers a unique sensory experience with its underwater music and mood lighting. And finally, we delved into Berlin's underground bunkers, a chilling reminder of the city's war-torn past, yet an important part of its history that adds depth to its character. Each of these places, though less frequented, offers an enriching experience that goes beyond the typical sightseeing. They show us that there's more to Berlin than meets the eye. So the next time you find yourself in Berlin, make sure to venture off the beaten path and explore these hidden gems for an unforgettable experience.